Hi, welcome to this bite-sized learning clip designed to make you more effective at work. I'm Nikki, and if you've never used pivot tables before, prepare to be amazed. It's a big topic, so we'll just give you a taster today of the power of pivot tables, and they're particularly great for summarising and cross-referencing large amounts of data. So here's the data we'll work with today. It's just a long list of transactions. But notice that it is one big lump. There's no entire blank rows or columns here. So I'm going to click anywhere in this list and then go up to the Insert tab and choose Pivot Tables. So you can see here Excel has automatically picked up the range of data because it was that one big chunk. And I always go with the default to put the pivot table on a new sheet. So here's our blank canvas. On the right is your control panel where you can design your pivot table, and you'll see also at the top two new tabs have appeared. You've got Pivot Table Tools Options and Design. So to build our pivot, all we have to do is choose the fields we want and where we'd like them to go. So I'd like to see how many of each item we've sold in each area. So I'm going to need to tick Area, Item and Sales. As you'll notice, as soon as I started to click, Excel started to build the table, and with just a couple of clicks it's done all the calculations too. It's pretty good, isn't it? However, Excel won't always know the best layout, so you can use the area at the bottom here to move fields. I'm going to move Area to the column labels area by dragging it. There, that looks better. The best thing about pivots though is that you can change your mind and at any stage. So if I'd rather see category instead of item, I just remove the tick from one and add it to another. Remember, if it doesn't put it where you want it, just use the bottom area at the right here to redesign your table. Last bit of information now, and it's really important. Pivots work on a copy of your data. That means if the source figures change, you'll need to update your table. Now, if just a few numbers change, you can just click here on the refresh button. But if you've added extra rows to your data, then you'll need to click on this Change Data Source icon. There's so much more that pivots can do, so please experiment and see how they could help you make great decisions from your data. Thanks for joining me today. For more ideas on improving your productivity, visit happy.co.uk.